One of the most frequent problems that people have on a daily basis is knee discomfort, which can be brought on by osteoarthritis, excessive use, past injuries, or even just the natural wear and tear that occurs over time. It frequently starts with a tugging sensation while ascending stairs, a cracking sensation when standing up, or a stabbing pain after activity. These are all common experiences. Painkillers, ointments, or injections are the typical treatments for this condition. However, the underlying reason is typically the same: inflammation in the joint, a lack of lubrication, or cartilage that has been destroyed. Something that very few people are aware of is that a certain natural cure, when taken in little amounts on a daily basis, may significantly alleviate pain and restore mobility. It is gelatin that we are discussing. Number 1. Why gelatin? Collagen, the most essential structural protein in the human body, is abundant in gelatin. Collagen is especially necessary for cartilage, tendons, ligaments, and synovial fluid. Gelatin is highly abundant in collagen. Joints are more prone to inflammation, friction, and degradation as a result of the body's decreased production of collagen, which occurs as one gets older. The body receives the essential building blocks it needs for the regeneration of joint tissue when natural gelatin is consumed on a consistent basis at regular intervals. The amino acids that it contains, such as glycine and proline, not only have a restorative impact, but they also have anti-inflammatory characteristics. This is another reason why it is so significant. Number 2. How to take it and when it will be effective. Putting it simply is not even possible. Warm water, tea, or a cup of oat milk should be mixed with 1 spoonful of gelatin powder, ideally beef gelatin that is used for eating. Honey or a little amount of turmeric can be used as an optional addition. Both contribute to an increase in the anti-inflammatory impact. It is recommended that you take it in the morning on an empty stomach or in the evening before going to bed, as this is the time of day when the body is capable of repairing itself. After only a few days, many people say that they have reduced stress in their knees, and after a few weeks, they have seen a substantial improvement in their mobility. Number 3. What happens in the body? The building blocks of collagen are absorbed and specifically integrated into cartilage, ligaments, and synovial fluid once they have been consumed. There, they perform the function of a lubricant, which helps to minimize friction in the joint and promotes the regeneration of structures that have been damaged. At the same time, the generation of synovial fluid within the body is increased, which results in a visible alleviation, particularly for knees that are dry and creaky. The end consequence is a reduction in discomfort, an increase in flexibility, and a perceptible lightness. Number 4. Even more effective in combination. You may especially supplement with vitamin C if you want to further boost the action of gelatin. For instance, you might drink a glass of fresh lemon water or orange juice. It is also possible to take vitamin C supplements. The formation of collagen in the body requires vitamin C as a key component. The importance of physical activity cannot be overstated. By engaging in gentle physical activity, such as cycling, water aerobics, or yoga, one may guarantee that nutrients are supplied to the joints more effectively and that synovial fluid continuously circulates. And number 5. Who this method is particularly suitable for. If you are suffering from joint wear, cartilage degeneration, or uncomfortable inflammation in the knee area, this straightforward yet powerful treatment is appropriate for you, regardless of your age. For those who have just been diagnosed with osteoarthritis or who have had knee injuries, it is highly suggested that they take this supplement. Not only will you have less discomfort, but you will also see an increase in your mobility if you ingest a spoonful of gelatin on a regular basis. We appreciate you watching. We would greatly appreciate it if you could give it a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel Natural Life Hacks. Thanks for watching.